What up, man? We got that fight going on. We got the pre-cards going on. Oh, man. Hey, I'm telling you, we might have to move that 11th third. Well, the fight's going to start out. We'll see right now. What are we in the 8th round? Is it up next? I got on in the other room. We'll see what's going on, but tell you that. Who's taking what on that fight tonight? I heard that it was, Tyson can't knock him out, though. That's what I heard. Joe Rogan was talking about, like, Tyson can't knock him out in the first round. He won't get paid, blah, blah, blah. Heavy on the contract. We'll see what's going on. 13 teams left. Angels 26. White Sox 15. Rockies 15. Reds 72. Rays 31. Let's just put that up there. Hey, we got the Impeccable going. We got a nice little break here. 2 of the Stadium Club and the Topps Chrome update. It's gonna be a juicy one tonight. Gonna be a little juicy one tonight. Then we got the case update Chrome tonight. Oh yeah. 2 a night. Tomorrow will be a little bit later. I'm gonna go to the Panthers hockey game. I saw them. They're playing at home. I haven't been to a game this year. So we'll do that a little bit later. Maybe we'll do the game starts at 7, so maybe like 11. We'll do 11 and 12, something like that. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. We got Angels 26, Astros 20. Blue Jays 19, Braves 32, Brewers 52. Cards 32, D-backs 25. Giants 32, Mets 38, Rays 31, Reds 72, Rockies 15, White Sox 15. Let's get it rolling, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. Put this on the side. We'll get the fight going. We got the fight. Hey, guys, let me know when that fight's over. That when Tyson coming out. We're on the 8th round right there, 8 of 12. I don't know. He's going next. Okay, guys, 13 left. That's all we got. We got the Impeccable, 2-box Stadium Club, and the Topps Chrome update. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. It's on Netflix, too. We're going right at 10 because if that Tyson comes out, we might have to shut it down and just go into that Tyson and come back on this. No, we'll finish this break up. We'll finish it up, guys. Get your soda, get your drink, get whatever you want. Remember this card? Remember this card? This thing was like a 10. Some non-grading card company, and we busted it open. It came back a 7. Are you kidding me? What a big-time loser deal that was. White Sox 13, White Sox 15, Rockies 15, Reds 72, Rays 31, Mets 38. Giants 32, D-backs 25. Cardinals 32, Brewers 52. Braves 32, Blue Jays 19, Astros 20, Angels 26. We're going to do this break before the Tyson fight starts. We could call it the Jake Paul fight, whatever you guys want to call it. You know what I'm talking about. Let's see when that's coming, guys. We're in what round is it? It's 11 to 12. It's going on right after this, guys. Oh, hell no.
Oh, here we go again. You called it.
Okay, it's the 11th round, guys. It's the 11th round. Let's get moving on this. Should we start this break early? I hate doing that, but we'll wait. We'll wait. Give it the longest 10 minutes I've ever had in my life. Nah. We're getting going. We got 13 left. Angels 26, Astros 20, Blue Jays 19, Braves 32. We're gonna do this right between this fight and when the Tyson fight starts. We're gonna finish this break. Let's do that. Twelfth and final round. Let me just get everything set up so when we're ready to go, we're just ready to go. We'll rip this thing between the two fights, guys. We won't open up a pack, but we'll get everything ready. So we'll bust this out open between the games, between the fight. We're getting ready to go, guys. Is Tyson next? Is Tyson next? We won't open up any packs, but we want to make sure we're ready to go. I want to watch that Tyson-Jake Paul fight. We're going to get this going right in between the two fights. So they're on round 12. But we won't open up anything. We'll wait. We'll get our patience in there. There we go. Hold on one second. I want to make sure it's Tyson next. Is Tyson fighting next? They've been juking it out. Look at that guy. Look at his eye. Dude, this is a fight. Dude, this is a fight. Capital I, lowercase L, that's how close they are. he said they're as close as a capital I and a lowercase L. I like that one. They're close, a capital I and a lowercase L. Oh, man, what the heck going on here? They're going full 12, and then we got Tyson, I think, after this. We got 6 minutes. We're going to bust this off in between the two fights, guys. Angels 26, Astros 20, Blue Jays 19, Braves 32, Brewers 52, Cards 32, Brewers 52, Cards 32, D-backs 25, Giants 32, Mets 38, Rays 31. And then we got the Impeccable. Gonna be a little fun little break, guys. There'll be a little bit of time before we'll get this break done perfect. Right when this, and then the Tyson will be about 10:30 when that other fight starts. Who you taking? Who you taking? I'm taking entertainment. You know it's entertainment. They're getting like 30 million. Round 12, is it going? Killing me. They're duking it out right now. You see that Ramos? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, 13 left. White Sox 15 ain't going to stop us. We're going right at 10, guys. We got to go right at 10. We did a little bit earlier, just because we don't want to waste no time. You guys watching the fight? Nah. I'm watching. I want to see it. Angels 26, Astros 20. Angels 26, Astros 20. Blue Jays 19, Braves 32. Brewers 52, Cards 32, D-backs 25. Giants 32, Mets 38, Rays 31, Reds 72. Rockies and White Sox 15 each. Three minutes, we'll get rolling, guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good night. 6,200. 6200. What's up, bro? Who won?
I don't know yet. What did we do? What was our? Oh, we did? Color. Oh, that's unofficial. Now what do we do? We went to El Camino downtown. We had dinner with them. Oh man. And we're going for that. I went to
There we go. Let's go. Let's go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and we're ready to roll. Got to be 5 o'clock somewhere, and it's 5 o'clock here. Ramos. Oh! A draw! A draw! Of course, they were duking it out. Those guys were duking it out. Don't surprise me. Don't surprise me. Don't surprise me. Those guys were duking it out. Forget about 1 minute. We're starting, guys. 12 left. Astros 26. No, Angels 26. Astros 20. Blue Jays 19. Braves 32. Brewers 52. Cards 32. Giants 32. You guys get the drift. We're ready to go, guys. Let's roll it. The fight's over and the cards start, guys. That's what goes on. Thank you, Huggins. Fight's over, the cards start. And we got the Impeccable going on this one, guys. Tomorrow we'll do the Impeccable full or not. It is click to 10 o'clock. So we're rolling with the break, guys. That's how we're going to do it. Let's put that on the Impeccable. $12 left. They started the reductions, guys. If you want a good steal of a deal, check them out. We got the Angels at 24 now. Astros at 19. Blue Jays at 18. Braves at 30. Brewers at 49. Cards at 30. Giants at 30. Don't say I didn't tell you. And there's the Ellie De La Cruz rookie. Since we've seen that, let's just give that a sleep. We'll give it a top loader. Why not? It's not the craziest card, but hey, it's still an Ellie rookie for the Cincinnati Reds, and the Reds are still available for $69. They were $72. So check on the Reds if you're interested in the Reds. Little break in between the fight. And that's the update. Okay, box number 1, Keith Hernandez. $12 teams left. Angels 24, 20. Oh, sorry, the Angels went down. They're 22 now. So the Angels were 26. They're 22 now. Astros 18. They were 20. Blue Jays 19. They're 17 now. Braves 32. They're 28. Hang on. Dodgers and Padres. Let me see. Jalapeno for the Dodgers and the Padres. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we got the break. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we just reduced it again. We got the White Sox 15. They're 13 now. Rockies 15, they're 13 now. Reds 72-66 now. Rays 31-27 now. Mets 38-34 now. Braves on Pfeiffer. No more Braves. They were 28. Cardinals 32, they're 28. Brewers 52, they're 47. Thank you, brother. 11 left. Angels are 20. They were 26. Astros 20, they're 17 now. Blue Jays 19-16 now. Brewers 52-45 now. Cardinals 32-26 now. Giants 32-26 now. Mets 38-32 now. Rays 31-25 now. Reds 72-63 now. Reds are 63. Whew. Don't forget, we got the Impeccable in this break, guys. Don't snooze. Rockies 15-12 now. White Sox 15-12 now. We'll give it another minute. I'm updating. We got Seth on the Braves. We got Jalapeno for the Dodgers and Padres. Yes, you're good. In between the last fight and this fight, it's a perfect time for the break, guys. We are in perfect time for the break. 6,200. 4-boxer. Topps Chrome update. 2 with the Stadium Club and the Impeccable. It doesn't get better than this. We got 11 left. Angels are 20. Astros 17. Blue Jays 16. I'm updating as we speak. Brewers are 45. Cards 26. Giants 30. Giants 26. Mets 32. Rays 25, Reds 63, Rockies 12. 10 left. We're at the final 10. Those are the prices. We just reduced it again. We got the Angels down to 19, Astros 16, Blue Jays 19, they're 15 now. Brewers 52, they're 43 now. Cardinals 52, 43 now. No, Cardinals 32, they're 24 now. Brewers 52, they're 43 now. Mets 38, 30 now. Rays 31, 23 now. Reds 72, 60 now. Rockies 15, 11 now. And the White Sox 15, 11 now. So White Sox 11, Rockies 11, Reds 60, Rays 23, Mets 30, Cards 24, Brewers 43, Blue Jays 15, Astros 16, and Angels 19. That's what we got, guys. Hey, Keith Hernandez, Dale Murphy. We're just starting right now. This is the first box, first cards. 10 teams left, guys. Yamamoto. Yamamoto's our biggest hit so far. We're just starting, guys. Nolan Arenado, Dave Winfield. Look at that big old horse for the Yankees. JJ, Jared Jones. Riley, Tyler Black, Ken Griffey Jr., Special Forces, and our red parallel, Brian Reynolds and Francisco Lindor. We just started, guys. First pack in. No autos hit. Nothing's been hit, guys. 10 left. We just reduced it again. Check them out. $10 left. They reduced it again. We got Angels 26. They're 18 now. We're going to reduce them every minute till we're closed. Astros 20. They're 15 now. Blue Jays 19. 14 now. Brewers 52. 41 now. Cards 32. 22 now. Can't make this stuff up, guys. Mets 38, 28 now. Rays 31, 21 now. Reds are gone. Rays 31, they're 21 now. Rockies 15, they're 10 now. White Sox 15, they're 10 now. First box, first pack. No autos hit. Let's look at the other side. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we can get a team for the house. Luis Matos, look at that. Second pack in, guys. No auto's been hit. Impeccable. Teams are dropping every minute till we're closed. So if you're in this break, get an extra team. Casas, Rhino, Newbar, Moreno, Willie Mays, Quan, and Miller time. Angels 26, they're 18 now. Astros 20, they're 15 now. 9 left, we just dropped them again. Angels are 17, dropping them every minute till we're closed. Dropping every minute on the last 9 teams till we're closed, guys. Screw it. Let's do it every 30 seconds. Let's reduce them every 30 seconds till we're closed. White Sox, Rockies, both 9. Rays 31, they're 19 now. Mets 38, 26 now. Cardinals 20 now. We're reducing them every 30 seconds till we're closed, guys. Cardinals 32, 20 now. Brewers 52, 39 now. Blue Jays 19, 13 now. Astros 20, 14 now. And Angels 26, 17 now. Last 9 teams, we haven't hit any hits. No autos. 2 packs in. Let's look at the third pack. Let's look at the third pack. White Sox, Carabala, take them for 9. Pick up the Rockies, 2 for 9. Come on, pick up the Rockies. Sal Frelick for the Milwaukee Brewers. Brewers are still there for 39. Brewers are still there for 39. We're reducing them every 30 seconds till we're closed, guys. No hits yet. No autos. We're in the third pack. 5 boxer. We got the Impeccable. White Sox 9. Brewers are gone. Mike Adams says, give me the Brewers. Brewers are gone. Take them, Mike. 7 teams left. Angels 26 are 17 now. Astros 20-14 now. Blue Jays 19. They're 13 now. Brewers are gone. Mike Adams takes them. Cardinals 32. They're 20 now. Mets 38. They're 26 now. Rays 31. They're 19 now. Rockies 15. They're 9 now. Let's go. Let's go on the next pack. No autos have been hit. 7 teams. David Wright, Chipper Jones, Kershaw, Real Muto, and the Mookie Betts on the die cut for the Dodgers. Seven left, guys. Blowing them out, blowing them out. Pick them up. Someone close it. Someone take all the rest. Strider, Satchel Paige, Bautista, Derek Jeter, and Paul Skeens and things. On the rookie for the Pittsburgh Pirates. 7 left. Those are the prices. They don't get lower than that. Got the Angels at 15. How do the Angels get down to 15? Riggenback says, give me the Mets. Thank you, Abraham. Rockies down to 7. Rays down to 17. Mets down to who? 22. They're 38. Someone needs to just say close and pick up the rest. Doesn't make any sense, guys. Pick them up. If you're smart, those be low cost right now. Don't get better than this. No autos hit. Craig Biggio, Yelich, Yamamoto. My guess is Blue Jays, Rockies, and Rays. I don't know what that gives us left. I don't know if that's 3 or 4 or 9 or what. That's 3 left, guys. 3 teams left. No hits yet. No autos. Bryson Stott. Angels are 12. They were 26. Astros 9. They were 20. We're going, guys. Cardinals 15. They were 32. That gives us 2. Dean takes the Cards. Astros and Angels. Angels are 12. They were 26. Angels 9. They were 20. Oh, you can't make this stuff up, guys. You guys figure it out. Someone's got to say close. Jackson Morrell. There's only 2 teams left. That's it. 2 teams left. Watch the auto. Going to be one of the last 2 teams. Don't do it to me, guys. Don't do it. Miller time for the Dodgers. Close. No, we got Dean. Looked like Dean got the Angels. And Jimmy Snyder got the Astros. Acuna. Ozzy Albies. Chiefs Fantasy. On the red parallel. Nice. Ken Griffey Jr. on the chrome. And there's the Padres. Slam Diego Padres, Holly. Taylor Callaway. And then for the Max Fried for the Atlanta Braves. We're doing the photo finish to see what went on there. Mike Trout, Tatis, and Sal Frelick on the chrome. Stan the Man Musial. Ben Brown refractor. Or sorry, chrome, not the refractor. Corbin Carroll and Martinez. List is updated. Pereira, we do have the full case Topps Chrome update coming in at 11:30. Depends on when this Tyson fight goes on. We might move it around. Jackson Chourio, Special Forces, and the Julio. Paul Skeens. So we have Paul Skeens. Oh, for the Reds. To 5-0, the Drew Abbott. On the auto to 5-0. And the Paul Skeens. Well, it's probably got a gazillion people watching it. Mine was lagging too. It like paused. It don't surprise me. My internet sucks. But I'm moving next. I'm moving on the 30th, so hopefully my new place has better internet. This house built in 1925. My roommate's like, no, it's the house. I'm like, okay. Okay. We're not going to do, we're going to post another UFC break tomorrow. I'm not going one and done. I'm going to post another UFC, guys, tomorrow. Another 2-boxer. It's going to be a lot simpler. We're just going to go by first name, first letter. Is the Tyson fight next? And we got the case of update going on tomorrow. So we have the daily breaks 10 and 11:30. I was thinking about putting up a little smaller break earlier, like at 9. Should we do 3 full or not tonight? That last undercard I thought was pretty good. They were freaking duking it out. The one that was just there, you didn't like that, Marks? Oh, the women's match coming up. Okay, so we have time to do this one. Here I am going like speed of lightning. Thank you, Joe. Joe's my man. He knows what the hell's going on. That's why I like you guys. You guys know what's going on. Keep me in line. Andy Podges and Shohei on the chrome. We could just enjoy the break now. Wyatt Langford on the rookie. Podges and Jackson Chourio on the rookie debut. And the Wyatt Langford on the retro rookie. Oh, shit, it's lagging. Okay, so it's not just me. Anyone else is lagging? That's why I'm over here. At least my internet here is the break's not lagging. Henry Davis, Trey Burton, Turn Profar, and Shota Imanaga to 5-0 for the Cubbies. Nice hit for the Cubbies. Juan Soto. If we didn't have the Impeccable going next, then I would say that would be like close to the Lucky Dog, Dirty Dog. I might put it up there, but and we got this. Austin Martin to 5-0 on the shimmer for the Minnesota Twinkies. But we are going to do the Topps Chrome update, full or not. But we're not going to do it during the Tyson fight. So if it goes later, guys, if you want out, get out now. But we're not going to do that. I want to see the Tyson fight. Yeah, there's another card behind here. There we go. I can feel it. And just like this, I could feel it too. Shota Refractor. Kyle Manzardo and Holiday Inn on the rookie. Francisco Lindor and Jackson Chourio. And the Chourio rookie and the Holiday rookie and the Jackson rookie debut. Cam Eden rookie refractor. Holy cow. And Paul Skeens rookie debut. Kerstad. Kevin Pillar on the diamond cut. That was a nice little run. Freddie Freeman. Or should we just do the box right after this? The case. No, we can't do that. Because it will go right into the Tyson fight, right? I think I'm going to change it to the Kerstad refractor rookie. We'll just do it right after the Tyson fight's done. Lee and Stratton refractor. Jason Dominguez rookie debut. Cole Reagans. Ooh, and Brian Buxton all etch. There we go. That's a nice little hit there for the Minnesota Twinkies. And the Lee. Shenton, Usawawa, Tatis, Ellie. We'll come back to that. And Lee and Rodriguez refractor rookie. The Ellie De La Cruz. Okay, guys. Just like we're waiting for the Tyson fight, we're waiting for the Impeccable. Let's go, guys. We are ready for the Impeccable. Okay, the Impeccable. Here we go. Let me see who's got what. And what's got who. Last night we hit some silver. Let's see if we could do the same tonight. There we go. I got the list. And these are just the dummy cards. Now we did post another case. Randy Johnson, the big unit, /99 for the Seatown Mariners. Pink Floyd for the Cincinnati Reds. Who got the Reds? Dwayne Riggenback got a little Pink Floyd action. 24/99. We'll go to the bottom. Austin Wells for the Yankees, 52/60. For the Yankees, going to Timmy T. Little Timmy Turner action. And Paul Skeens and things. 21/30. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, Garrett taking home that Chad. There we go. We didn't hit one of Skeens last night, so we hit one tonight. Oh, no. Oh, for the Miami Marlins. That could be a lucky dog, dirty dog. That is a little bit of a shakeup. The Miami Marlins, Rui Rodriguez taking home that cheddar. Wow. That's a little bit of a shakeup. Miami Marlins, Ichiro. Timeless Moments, Rui taking home some Chad. That's a shakeup if I've ever seen a damn shakeup. Award-winning Johan Santana for the, let's just keep it cold, Minnesota Twinkies. Minnesota Twinkies. Who the hell got those damn Twinkies? JJ. JJ always got the hot hand. Nice hit, brother. 9/10. 9/10. But I'm going with that. Elijah Green for the Nationals. And Joe Lurch taking home that Chad. Joe Lurch on the Elijah Green, 54/99. Is it numbered? It sure in the heck is. 8/10. 8/10. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to be a lot of numbers on those. And Reggie Crawford for the San Francisco Giants. Who the hell got those Giants? Brian Carnegie taking home the Giants. And let me see if I have any of those top loaders. Oh, I do. Brian Carnegie, and we got one more card to pull out. Let's see what we got. Carnegie for the Reggie Crawford. And what do we got here for the plate? Heston Kjerstad for the Baltimore Orioles. The Orioles, Tim Langhorne taking home that cheddar. Not the best top loader, but we're going to use it. So, what do we got here, guys? We will be back after the Tyson fight. We're going to do the case of Topps Chrome update. So, we're not going to do it at 11:30. We'll do it right after the Tyson fight. So, whatever time the Tyson fight ends, that's the time we're going to do it. Kjerstad, Crawford, I just want to watch it, guys. So do you guys. 99, Elijah Green to 99 on the auto. Santana, award-winning on the auto. Ellie. Hooley. Brian Buxton taking home that cheddar on the auto. The Minnesota Twinkies did well. Paul Skeens and things. Austin Martin for the Minnesota Twinkies. Imanaga. Wyatt. Julio. Paul Skeens. Andrew Abbott. Max Fried. Miller time to 99. Skeens and Mookie Betts. Sal Frelick. Ellie. Paul Skeens and things. And Pink Floyd. Ty Floyd, guys. I know. Come on, dude. Go look at Pink Floyd if you didn't get that one. Okay, guys. Have a great night. And our lucky dog, Dirty Dog from Miami. The Marlins on Ichiro. Guys, have a great night. Next break is the case. Topps Chrome update. Welcome to Lucky Breaks, guys. Have a great night. We'll see you on the next break. Peace. Thank you.